Yeah, real good fish. Oh,
Figures.
you know what, he can't come out.
Figure Dominic get him, right?
Shit, there's a big stump over there. I'm backing up. Right? He stays out in the river. Now we got him out in the river. Oh, that's a tough.
It's a big
one?
one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucker.
I know. Damn. Feels good.
I hope you shit the
He's
bed,
not as big as
Dominic.
I think he is, but-
No, he's not big.
Nah. He felt good,
It's
though.
not big.
Yeah, he's about 6 pounds.
Hell, I'm gonna quit taking you guys, man.
We're spoiled. They're a 12-pounder. What are you
Yeah,
kidding me?
That's about a 6-pound fish.
Yeah, it's small. It's a baby.
Delete that video.
All right, Louis. Look at this shit. You want to buy a boat? You got to go with Keith. 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 Say something to him, Keith.
All right, Louis. I know you're a big pro now and everything, but don't forget about us.
Aha.